Hey guys, welcome to Science Learning Gateway. I hope you all are doing good. So, first of all, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. So, this year we are celebrating 73rd Republic Day, right? Our President of India, Mr. Ramnath Kovind, he hosted the flag at Rajpath, New Delhi. Many events took place, the award distributions, etc., parade, many air shows, all we have watched in the TV and in the news channels, etc. So I hope you all have enjoyed your Republic Day. But it's also a truth that we have to prepare for our exams, and very soon we are going to write the board exams for Karnataka SSLC. So in this I have picked few questions for you all from chapter number 5, periodic classification of elements. As we all know that uh, for 8 to 10 marks MCQ questions will come over there. Options will be given to you all and you have to write the answers. So from this chapter number 5, 10 questions I have picked from here. So I'm going to discuss these 10 questions for you all. The first question which we have over there is, how many periods and groups are present in the periodic table? So as we all know, according to modern periodic table, we have 7 periods and 18 groups in the periodic table. Correct? We have 7 periods and 18 groups in the periodic table. There are 7 horizontal rows known as the periods and 18 vertical columns called the groups, what we have read in the chapter. And that is also because of the modern periodic table. And the second question is, which of the following forms the basis of modern periodic table? As we all have read that according to Mendeleev's periodic table, atomic mass was the basis for their periodic table, but according to modern periodic table the concept was completely changed, and over there atomic number was the basis for the modern periodic table. And what is the definition of atomic number? Atomic number is equal to number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Modern periodic table is based on the atomic number of elements, as according to modern periodic law, which law we have read? Properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic number. So remember that for modern periodic table, atomic number was the basis for them. Now the third question which we are going to read over there is, what happens to the electropositive character on moving from left to right in the periodic table? Left to right means when we are moving in a period from left to right, what will be the changes in the electropositive character? Okay, so when we move from left to right in a period, the electropositive character decreases. Always it will decrease. But when we move down a group from top to bottom, electropositive character increases. And why it is so? Electropositive character of element is the ability to lose electrons and form positive ions. We have read about metals, that metals are electropositive in nature. Why? Because they can lose electrons and they can form positive ions, like Na plus, Mg+2, they all are metals. Now, when we move from left to right in a period of the periodic table, what happens? Nuclear charge will increase, and due to the increase in number of protons, the valence electrons are pulled more strongly by the nucleus. Okay, number of protons will increase and the valence electrons, means the outermost electrons, will be pulled by the nucleus. Thus it became more and more difficult for the atom to lose the electrons, causing a decrease in the electropositive character of the element on moving from left to right in the period. So what you have to remember, that when you move from left to right in a period, electropositive decreases because tendency to lose electron decreases. The elements cannot lose electron anymore. That's why their electropositive character decreases. Now the fourth question, the electronic configuration of an element is 284. In modern periodic table, the element M is present in one element is there, its electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 4. So can you guess which element is this? 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So atomic number 14 belongs to the element called silicon. It's belong to the element called silicon. And silicon is present in which group of the periodic table? It is present in group number 14 of the periodic table. Also we can predict that as number of valence electron is 4. So this element should be present in group number 14 of the periodic table. Correct? Now the next question. An element X belongs to the third period and first group of the element. One element is there which belongs to group number 3, but it is present, sorry, it belongs to third period, but it belongs to the first group of the periodic table. What is the number of valence electron in its atom? As we all know that elements which are present in the first group of the periodic table, they have only one valence electron since they are present in group number 1. So the number of valence electron will be 1. So our answer is 1. Okay. Now the next question, question number 6. Which of the following does not decrease while moving down the group of the periodic table? When we move from top to bottom in a group, what does not decrease is atomic radius, metallic character, number of shells in the atom, or valence electron. Obviously, it's valence electron, because in a group, the number of valence electrons remains the same. Whether it in group number 1, number of valence electron is 1, all the elements will have only one valence electron. In group number 2, the number of valence electron is 2, because every group will have, in every group all the elements will have same number of valence electron remains the same. Now let's move to question number 7. The element A, B, C belong to group number 2, 14, 16 respectively. Means element A belongs to group number 2, element B belongs to group number 14, and element C belongs to group number 16. Which of these two elements will form covalent bond? Let's write the electronic configuration. 2, 8, 4, 2, 8, 6. So as we can see, in element B and C, number of electrons are, the last electron is not filled. So element number B and C will form covalent bonds because they need electrons to fill their last shell or the valence shell. So they will form covalent bond to fill their octet, right? And also we know that covalent bond is formed by the sharing of electron between two atoms. So element B belongs to group number 14 and it is having only 4 valence electron, and element C belongs to group number 16 and it is having 6 valence electron. So they will share the electrons among themselves and they will form covalent bond. So the answer is B and C. Now question number 8. Which of the following element has 2 shells? Both are completely filled. Helium, neon, calcium, boron. We know that in helium only one shell is present. Hydrogen, helium. Atomic number of helium is 2. So only one shell, that is K shell, is present. In neon, how many shells are present? Neon is having atomic number 10. So neon will have 2 shells, right? K and L shell. Neon is having 10 atomic number. It is having 2 shells. Sorry. K and L. In K shell 2 electrons and in L shell 8 electrons. We can see that this is also filled. This shell K shell is also completely filled and L shell is also completely filled. So the element neon, it is one of the noble gas which is having 2 shells and both the shells are completely filled. Now let's move to question number 9. Ninth question is, which of the following is most reactive element of group number 17? So can you guess the answer? Which element is the most reactive among group number 17? We have so many elements: hydrogen, chlorine, bromine. So which one is the most reactive among them? Yes, it's fluorine. Fluorine is the most reactive element of group number 17. As we move down the group, what happened? The size of the element increases, right? When we move from top to bottom in a group, the size of the element increases. So fluorine is present on the top of the halogen group and it is very small. It is small in size. Compared to other elements, the size of fluorine is small and it has a maximum tendency to gain electron to complete its octet. Thus fluorine is the most reactive element of group number 17. So why fluorine is most reactive? Because the size of fluorine is small. It can accept electrons to complete its octet. So it is the most reactive element of group number 17. Right? Now let's come to question number 10. The element X forms a chloride with the formula XCl2. One element is there. It is reacting with chlorine to form XCl2, which is a solid with a high melting point. X should most likely be the same group of the periodic table. So let's look at the formula XCl2. Okay, we are getting xCl2 over there, so must this element x must be having a valency of +2, and this chlorine must be having a valency of -1. They will exchange their valency and they will form a compound called xCl2. So which element among these will have a valency of +2? Sodium doesn't have a valency of +2, it will have a valency of +1. Magnesium, yes, magnesium it will have a valency of +2. Aluminium, the valency of aluminium is +3, and silicon will have a valency of +4. So among these, magnesium is the correct answer. Magnesium can form a chloride of the formula XCl2. So I hope you all have understood the 10 questions which I have given from here. uh, try to solve these types of questions, because this types of question will come for MCQ in your board exams, because according to the question paper of the year 2020 2000, this types of questions means for 8 marks MCQ questions were given in the same pattern. This time also we will have our paper. So try to solve this types of question from all the chapter, and comment in the comment section whether you liked it or not. If you like it, then please click on the like button, share with your friends also. And if you want more MCQs from other chapters also, comment in the comment box. I will come up with the new chapters for more MCQs from every chapter, and from all the chapters I am going to make important questions also, and I will explain each and every question from there. Thank you for watching. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to it if you are new to my channel. Thank you for watching.